Right there, boys and girls. Hey, day 1, January, daily math. First one of the year, and let's check this out. 8 divided by 4 equals 4 divided by 8. Is that true or is that false? All right, well, let's figure it out. We have 8 divided by 4. Well, that's 2, right? Because 2 times 4 equals 8. So what number times 8 is 4? Yikes, it's not 2, is it? Because 2 times 8 would equal 16. So we know this is not false, or not true. So it is false. Okay. Fix the mistake. 7 hundreds, 4 10. Oh, should be 4 tens and 2 ones, right? So let's go like this. 4 tens and 2 ones. There we go. Now we got it fixed up. All right. Hello, friends. I came to visit you from the zoo. The zookeepers call me Belle. They tell me I'm beautiful. What kind of animal am I? Looks like 7. 7 letters total, huh? Kind of looks like a penguin. So let's go pen. Penguin. Yeah. All right. If 4 times 10 equals 40, then 4 times 5 equals half of that, right? 20. Blank is half of 40. Well, we just said 20 is half of 40. And 5 is half of 10. Kind of gets back to the old, I guess, distributive property almost right there, right? Where instead of 4 times 10, we could break it up into 4 times 5 plus 4 times 5. Number 5, Irvin's New Year's resolution is to earn 100 rewards from his teacher. So far, he has earned 27. How many more rewards will Irvin need to earn? So, how many more rewards? So how many what? How many rewards or more rewards will he need? So his goal is 100, so that's the big number. And he has earned 27, so that's 1 part. And if we take that away, that'll give us what he needs to earn yet, right? So minus 7, you can't do it. Borrow from next door. There's nothing there to borrow from, so we got to borrow from next door again. Now we're going to borrow from next door, which is now 9. Okay, and then we carry over. Bring over the 1, the borrow. So now we have 10 minus 7 is 3. And we have 9 minus 2 is 7. So he will still need to earn 73 more rewards. All right, boys and girls, great job with our first day of our daily math. Way to go. Keep it up.